Not all roof replacements are the same. This project included key upgrades that improve performance and longevity. We completed a full tear-off to inspect the decking and prepare for a stronger, more modern roofing system. This home had an older roofing system with traditional felt underlayment and turbine vents. Over time, felt underlayment can break down, and older ventilation systems may not provide consistent airflow. During tear-off, we discovered rotted roof decking that needed to be replaced before moving forward. Our team removed and replaced all compromised decking to restore a solid foundation for the new roof. We upgraded from traditional felt to synthetic underlayment, offering better durability, moisture resistance, and overall protection. Dimensional shingles were installed for enhanced durability and a clean, modern look. We removed the old turbine vents and installed a continuous ridge vent system for improved airflow and efficiency. From the decking to the ventilation system, this roof was rebuilt the right way, designed to last. If your roof is aging or has hidden damage, contact Magnum Construction today for an inspection.